Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to see how to take screenshot on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So let's start with our first method you can use. So in the first method, press print screen button on your keyboard to take the screenshot. So I will show you how to take screenshot with this button. Now you have to capture the screen with your cursor. I will show you how to do this. Capture the screen. That's it. But in some laptop you have to press Fn plus this print screen button. So in some laptop you have to press both the keys together to take the screenshot. After that, go to this search box and type paint to open paint. Now you have to press control key and this V button to paste, okay, like this. That's it. After that, you have to save this image in your computer or in your laptop. So this is your first method you can use. But if your print screen button is not working, in that case you can use this window key, shift key and this S button. So you have to press all the three keys together like this and this will open this kind of screen. Now you can capture the screen. So click on this option and this will show you the option of full screen, or you can manually capture the screen. I will show you. So you can manually capture the screen like this, and after that open paint and then save this image. If your keyboard shortcuts are not working, in that case you have to click on this search icon. So click on this search icon, then type snipping tool. So you have to type snipping tool, then click on this option and this will open this kind of window. Now you have to click on this new option, click on it. Now you have to capture the screen manually with your cursor. Okay, this will capture the screen. Now you can edit this image as well, and you can save this image as well with this option. So these are the three methods you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you.